Starting tomorrow, Michigan drivers have an opportunity to change their auto insurance plans to help them have a policy that's right for them. Local 3's Peter Curry spoke with a couple of insurance agencies to discuss what to expect with this new law.
After 50 years, Michigan legislation has passed a new auto insurance plan for drivers to make a choice on what kind and how much coverage they want to have.
In the past, you had no option. You just had to go into unlimited coverage, even if you had a great personal plan, so you couldn't opt out, so the double coverage. So now they're looking at what do you have and how are you covered, and then how do you want your assets covered? Because if you're in a bad accident, you are liable for that accident. So do you want your auto insurance to pick this up, your coverage, your personal injury protection, or are you covering this some other way?
Coverage depends on what fits your lifestyle.
Say you have six cars in your household, then you might have a more significant savings versus the one car household. But I mean, it's going to cut it drastically.
Leonard sees this as a great opportunity for Michiganders, but there are some aspects of these new laws that drivers should consider before making a quick decision.
It all sounds great to save money, and it is. Who doesn't want to save money? But I caution you, the main question we receive is, am I going to save money? And my answer is always, it depends. Maybe.
Much of the savings depends on what kind of personal health insurance someone has.
If you are injured in an automobile accident, the order of priority is you go to your own insurance. If you don't have auto insurance, you go to a resident relative. Somebody you live with that's related to you. If there's no auto insurance, then it goes to the automobile you were in, and there's a whole line. There's a priority of where the benefits lie, and it's always been unlimited. This is now changed. So if you're injured in an automobile accident, if you don't have your own auto insurance, or if you don't live with a relative that has auto insurance, you will then be, your medical bills will go to the Michigan Assigned Claims Plan, and it's limited to $250,000.
It sounds like a lot, but with how expensive health coverage can be, it's not. If someone who isn't related to you gets into an accident in your car and doesn't have their own insurance, this can put them into a financial bind. Both Leonard and Stagliano want to make sure the public also realizes this change does not happen automatically, so they recommend you call your insurance agent to learn more about how these new insurance changes and what steps you should take moving forward. Reporting in studio, I'm Peter Curry, Local 3 News.